Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new Apple ID on the web. So if you want to sign in to Apple services like iCloud, the App Store, or Apple Music, follow along step by step to set it up. All right, let's dive in. First, open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the address bar at the top, type account.apple.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner. You'll see a button that says Create Your Apple Account. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to fill in your details. Enter your first name and last name, choose your country or region, then enter your birthday, email address, this will be your Apple ID, and your password. Make sure to re-enter your password to confirm it. Next, select your country or region from the drop-down menu, for example, United States. Then enter your phone number, including the area code if needed. Apple will ask you to verify this number. You can choose to receive a text message or a phone call. You'll also see options to enable announcements for apps, music, TV, and more. You can turn these off if you want or leave them on. It's up to you. Finally, enter the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot, and then click Continue. And that's it. Your new Apple ID is ready to use. You can now sign in to Apple services on any device with this account.